okay? It's not HGTV, all right? It's Gotham City. Now, if you're doing like a broker's open house or something like that, where you're guaranteed to have 20, 25, 50 different agents coming by, where you're inviting all of them 2 weeks, 3 weeks in advance, then go buy the donuts and the coffee and the, whatever. I like to get some baked goods from like a bakery or something that's nearby, so you can showcase the neighborhood as well. And then you take like their flyers and put their flyers with your stuff. And you could also ask them for a little discount. Hey, we're going to showcase your place. All right, I'm going to put a little TikTok and Instagram video and showcase the New Leaf Bakery, from this neighborhood when we're showcasing the apartment. You might be able to work out a little discount. Not a bad idea, by the way. Just understand, a regular open house versus a broker's open house, not the same. Okay, and you want to make sure that people are coming. That's important, okay? And if you got 30 people that are gonna come by, go ahead and get the champagne and Prosecco and cookies, whatever. But most of the time, there's gonna be 2-3 people wandering in, and it's just not really gonna be worth it for you to have one person there and 50 champagne glasses pre-filled, okay? Which is just silly that agents do this stuff, but it's what they do. 1 second. Also, the owner is expected to be away. The owner should not be present. The owner is not a salesperson. It's very strange to have the owner just lurking around during the showing. Owner's not there, okay? That should be a pretty hard rule across the board.